I'm Marla Barnes, publisher of the Hydro Group for Penwell, and we're here at the Water Power Week in Washington, where Whooshh Innovations just won a big award. Vince and Jim, we're so glad to have you all here, and I want to know more about the award that you just won.
Well, we're very pleased and thankful to receive the Outstanding Stewards of American Waters Award for our work at the Yakima Basin's Integrated Water Management Plan's Cle Elum Dam.
5 years ago, Whooshh came to this meeting and we knew nobody. So we take this opportunity to thank you for the free advice, the critiques, the warnings, the knowledge, lots of opinions, grants, studies, and the shared experiences.
This is an innovative project that is really exciting.
Yeah, Jim and the team, they put in a 1,700-foot long fish passage system in under 90 days, and the fish got from the bottom of the dam to the top of the dam for the first time in 100 years, and this was sockeye salmon in particular, so it was quite an accomplishment.
So Vince has piqued my interest here, Jim. Tell us a little bit more about exactly how this works and some of the benefits of this particular fish passage technique.
Sure. So our fish passage system is pneumatic, which means it uses air. We only use a little bit of water just to keep the fish lubricated and wet as they transport. And that allows us to go very, very high. We have no limitations, so we can go over any dam in America. And we don't use much water, which means that that's more water that can be used for power generation.
To take down 85,000 dams, if you took down one a day, it's going to take over 230 years, and we're not going to have any fish by that point. Or we can put in 11 Whooshh systems a day. In 20 years, we will have fish passage on every dam in the country.
Autonomously removing and, if necessary, disposing invasive fish, automatically sorting and redirecting hatchery fish, and gathering data on every one of them. So some suggest that all the dams need to come down. But in the prophetic words of John Oliver, in your darkest moments of despair, when you see a world torn apart by war and words, remember that salmon cannon video and think, we can do great things.
So obviously the technique is innovative, but your name of your company is innovative. Tell me where Whooshh came from.
Well, it's a second name for us. It wasn't how we started, but Whooshh Innovations is really the sound of a fish moving through the tube. So you say it as whoosh. And today we really think it's the sound of fish and hydro in harmony.
I love it, and I'll practice on that name, right? Thank you guys for joining us, and we're really excited about your award, and this national recognition is quite important for your innovative technique.
Well, thank you, and thank everybody for helping us get to this point. We needed all the help we could get, and it's been a real pleasure.